A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you? Yes. कैसी चल रही है पढ़ाई? Okay, सारे notes complete हो गए? Okay, do you find any problem in grammar? If you have any kind of problem in completing the notes, you can call me anytime. Okay. So today we are going to learn comparison. Let me show you. It's a bigger one. It's a smaller one. Yes, आपके मम्मी पापा है ना, उनकी हाइट कितनी बड़ी है और आप उनके सामने कितने छोटे लगते हो. सो दे आर टॉलर एंड यू आर शॉर्टर. इन सब को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? कंपैरिजन. सो टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज कंपैरिजन. विल बी कंपेयरिंग. ओके, लाइक सी, दिस इज अ थिकर वन एंड दिस इज अ थिनर वन. मोटा और पतला. Thicker one and thinner one. Okay, we'll get more clear idea with seeing this video. Okay, so are you all set to watch the video? Okay. So children, are you all set to watch the video? By watching this video, you will be getting more clear idea how to do the comparison between the two objects. Okay, all set children?
Making comparisons. Read the sentences given below. An elephant is bigger than a pony.
See, the comparison is made between an elephant and the pony. The elephant is bigger than the pony. So here a comparison is made between the two animals. Bigger than a pony.
The rope is longer than the ribbon.
The rope, can you see the rope? The rope is longer than a ribbon. So a comparison is made between a rope and a ribbon.
The book is thicker than the comic. We read.
The book is thicker than a comic.
Is older than Sagar. Hina is taller than Rima. The above sentences compare two things or persons. To show comparison between two things, places, persons or animals, we use a, er form of the describing word. Sometimes we use more.
Yes children, to go with the comparison we use er. To show comparison between two things, places, persons or animals, we use er form of the describing words. क्या use करते हैं? Taller, shorter, thicker, thinner, longer. तो हमने क्या use किया? er. It was er of the describing words. And sometimes also we use more than. So we also use the er and also use more.
We also use than.
More than. So while doing comparison we use er or more than. Okay, so you have understood what is the comparison. दो objects, दो animals, दो persons में comparison होता है. ठीक है, at that time हमको क्या use करना है? er or more than, isn't it? Now children, let's go with a small exercise.
Color the rainbow. The fairies want to dry the falling tears of the little clouds. Help the fairies to do so by painting a beautiful rainbow. Click on the right answer and help each.
The teacher is dash than the students. The teacher is dash than the student. If your answer is right, the fairy is going to color the rainbow. Rohan is dash than Naman. He is Rohan. He is Naman. So Rohan is taller than Naman. Yeah, okay. See, a sack of rice is dash than a packet of sugar. It's what is this? A packet of sugar and a sack of rice. So a sack of rice is, fairy is going to color the rainbow if your answer is correct. Oh, another one. Tom is dash than Jerry. This is Tom, this is Jerry. Yes, tell me. Tom is green color. Yes, Samir is dash than Nitin. He is Samir and he is Nitin. So Samir is fatter or thinner? Come on, tell me. Samir is fatter than Nitin. Yeah, good work. The snake is dash than the caterpillar. Come on, see. Game over. Time is over. No, so we have to restart.
Color the rainbow. The fairies want to dry the falling tears of the little clouds.
So children, you want to play a same game, or we should switch on to another one? Are you getting bored with same game? You want to switch on the another one? Okay, I have some new game for you. Drag and drop. A giraffe is dash than a camel. Yes, tell me what will be the correct answer. You have to make the comparison. A giraffe is dash than a camel. Good work. See, clue is already given to you. Tall. Okay. A mountain is dash than a hill. What's given in the bracket? High. So what you will be writing over here? Higher. A mountain is higher than a hill. बेटा कंपैरिजन करना है, लेकिन ब्रैकेट में क्लू दिया गया हुआ है. देयर ओनली यू हैव टू पुट ER. ये आपका क्लू था. जस्ट यू हैव टू पुट ER. A butterfly is dash than a sparrow. What's given in the bracket? Small. So what you will be writing? Smaller. Good work. An elephant has dash ears than those of a deer. What's given in the bracket? Big. So what you will be writing? एक ही बचा है. Only one is remaining. Bigger. It's bigger. Good work. So आपको समझ में आया how you have to go with comparison while doing? Yeah, we have scored. See, we have scored 100%. आपका भी same answer था. Oh, my students are so smart. Okay, so in this way you have to go with comparison. आपको मैंने बताया ना, पर्सन्स में, एनिमल्स में, ऑब्जेक्ट्स में क्या होता है, कंपैरिजन होता है. एंड देयर व्हाट यू हैव टू यूज? ER और मोर देन. अगर क्वांटिटी है सो देयर यू विल बी यूजिंग मोर देन. So this was all about making comparison between persons and different objects. Okay children, so I hope you have watched the video and you have also find it interesting, and you will be doing a small exercise that I have shown you in the video. Okay, so children, keep learning, enjoy your studies, and also do take care of your health, and also complete your notebooks. Have a great time. Bye bye.